Mark Locks back at it again here at DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm bringing you a video of this 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is a crew cab LTZ, fully loaded from Chevrolet. It's got full power options inside, heated seats, leather seats, memory seats. Also does have factory sunroof as well. It's a 09 with just over 131,000 miles. This truck is a truck that we actually lifted. It got 3.5-inch kit from Rough Country. Also, it got a set of 20x9 Rough Country wheels. It's a new series that's out for this year. Super quality. They did a very, very good job on the wheels this year. And it's wrapped with a Country Hunter Theory. This is their RT. You see the wheel. It's a little dirty right now from being outside, but just the details in the wheel are very well done. Powder coating is very nice as well. You can see the tires brand new. So this truck was just done, just built by our company a couple weeks ago. Mechanically, very, very nice. It's been fully serviced through my service shop over at DLUX Motorsports too. It's also been professionally detailed. So once we rewash it up for you after you buy it, the truck shines beautiful. Paint's still in gorgeous shape. Couple small rock chips here and there, nothing crazy because the truck was just lifted. So the body's in very good shape. No rust issues. I'm gonna shoot you a couple shots of the frame. You can see how nice it is. It's got a little bit of just tiny surface discoloration, but no scaling or anything anywhere. Very consistent frame with Virginia. It's got an upgraded rear tonneau cover, factory tow package. And you can look at the paint, you can see the reflection in it. Super shiny. Overall, a very nice truck. I'd easily rate this one a 9 to a 9.5 out of 10 for a 2009. You can see the interior. You got a little stress mark right there on the side of this seat. That's about the extent of the damage. Center console's good. Leather interior's good. Like I said, factory sunroof, upgraded LED lighting. It does have the small crack on the top by the airbag. These dashes are famous for cracking in that location if you're familiar with these 7 to 13 Chevrolets. So if we go to the back looks like nobody's really sat in it. The leather's perfect condition. Barely any wear marks at all. You can see the carpet is in near new condition itself. Headliner, gorgeous, no issues. Even the carpet up front. No floor mats currently right now, but you can see the carpet. Still very nice, wood grain trim. It does have an aftermarket radio that was installed in the vehicle as well. So again, as you can see, just like in the just in this video, we shoot it in full 4K HD, so you can see how nice it is. The truck is extremely nice in person, probably even nicer than in the video. So again, if you have any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on our Instagram at DLUX_motorsports. Check us out on our website as well for more lifted trucks at www.delux-motorsports.com. Same thing spelled DLUX-motorsports.com. And then also subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, you'll be the first one to see all of our new inventory come out. So it gives you a chance to get the first shot of some of what we have. And we have tons of different trucks. We sell an average of 20 to 30 a month, so we're constantly replacing them. So you'll see new stuff weekly. Anyway, give us a call if you have any questions.